asked me about this song, Hippies by it's kind of like a little riff they play in the verses. 7th fret. Basically, you're hammering on 7 to 9 on the D string, and then you're playing like an A-shaped chord at the 9, which is like a E. Just kind of come straight down if you're playing with a pick. It's kind of like a what they call a rake. And then we do on the top 3 strings 9, 7. And then the chorus is D major 7 to A major 7. You can play that down here. This is probably the easiest way to play. Play the D string down, bar the 2nd fret across your G, B, and E strings. And then you can play an A major 7 like this, a little triangle shape. And this time you're gonna play D down, or A down. I mean, this time you're gonna, for the A major 7, you're gonna play from the A to the high E. And there's a little guitar solo at the end. I would play that at the 9th fret. Everything's 9, 11 except for your B string is going to be 9, 12. No, 10, 12. Probably key of A. I mean, I think it's actually in the key of A. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.